In this video, I will be showing you how to make a business card in Canva using hidden features. Let's get started. I'll start on the Canva home screen and head down to the suggested templates to select Business Card. This opens up a huge library of professional designs. I'll scroll through the results to find a layout that catches my eye. This travel agency template looks perfect, so I'll click on it to see the preview. I can see the different paper and finish options here, but I'll go ahead and click Customize this template to start editing. Once the editor opens, I'll update the business name. I'll click into the text box and change Time Travel to Unwind Travel. Next, I want to swap out the main graphic. I'll open the Elements tab on the left and search for Airplane. I'll browse the graphics until I find this dashed line plane. I'll delete the original airplane icon and bring my new graphic onto the canvas. To make it fit the layout, I'll resize it and position it right behind my new title. Now, let's move to page 2 to edit the back of the card. I'll select the existing flight path graphic and use the flip and rotate tools to reposition it in the top right corner, creating a more balanced look. Finally, I'll update the contact information. I'll click on the name field and type in Clara Henderson. Adjust slightly until it aligned. Everything looks great, so I'll click the Share button in the top right corner, select Download, and save the final design as a high-quality PNG. Now your custom business card is ready for the printer.